Developing walking leg lifts. So now we're going to show you how you can develop your walking by lifting your leg up in front of you as you walk along. You're looking to keep your back stretched and your toe pointed. Okay, and you're lifting that leg high, trying to get it above your hip. Okay, let's watch that again. Really notice that she doesn't in any way tip forwards and her toe is pointed as soon as she takes it off of the beam. Let's go a little bit slower. One more, slower. A step. And slowly lift it up, pointed straight away. Right, stop there. So now what you're going to do is you're going to lift your leg, you're going to bend it and then put it back down onto the beam. Lifted, bent and placed back on the beam. You can see this is hard for her to keep her balance. Practice it lots until you feel really confident. Okay, let's watch that one once more. Wonderful. I love how her chin is lifted. She's keeping that posture throughout. That's what you want to be doing. Now, the last one that you're going to do, you're going to lift the leg, bend it, and then see if you can lift it back up again above your hips before you place it back down on the beam. The leg that's on the floor, it must remain strong throughout and straight. You don't want it bending at all. Notice how it doesn't move. Once she's put it down, it stays straight and her feet are along the beam, keeping that lovely straight shape. Wonderful.